Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning the Java programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned the basic concept of array. So I recommend that to learn the basic of array, please watch my previous video. Now in this video, I will show you the actual usability of the array by giving 5 practical demonstration. The first one will be search value from the array. The second one will be how to find the first maximum, second maximum and third maximum. Third will be how to sort an array by ascending and descending both. The fourth demonstration will be 2D array and the fifth demonstration will be 3D array. So let's get started. So, my friends, this is what the last practical demonstration that we have discussed of the array. This was the dynamic array size. So, the size of the array will be dynamic as per the user requirement, right? If user say I need 5 size of array, then the size of array will be 5. If user said I need 10 size of the array, then the size of the array will be 10. It is totally depends on the user now, right? And then what we have done in this program, firstly we have asked to the user that how many element you want, right? And then we have taken the value, input value from the user, and on the basis of the value we have created an array. It means the array is dynamic, right? And then we have taken the values of the element also from the user. Say for example, enter number 1, enter number 2, enter number 3, likewise. Right? And then we have printed the array using the for loop, and we have find out the sum value of the elements and the average value of the array elements. So this is what we have discussed in the previous video. You can watch my previous video. In that video I have given total 5 demonstration, right? So for now we are moving further ahead. In this video, first of all, what I will do is I will my first it will be the sixth demonstration of the array, right? So this sixth demonstration will be on the how to search the value from the array. So like if you have the array, now I am just copying the file, I am creating a file and pasting the code. I am just changing the class name and removing the extra code. So this is what the now I am saving the file array demo 6.java, right? So I have saved the file now. So in that file we have taken the value from the user. It is also a dynamic size array, right? So I am just removing the title over here. Say for example, this demonstration is for the search the value from the array. Like if you have the array and if you have the 10 array, like to how to search the value from the array. This demonstration will be on the basis of the searching, right? So let's go ahead. What I have done over here is I have taken the value from the element, like how many element you want. Say for example, user has entered 5, then the array size will be 5, and then we have taken the values and then we have printed the value. That is what we have discussed in the previous video. You can watch my previous video to understand this concept, right? So I am just printing the values now in the line number 15, and currently I am changing the line number 10. Say for example, enter number of enter number of array, enter number for array. Say for example, you can print a static value to the user also. Say for example, now I am just compiling the file using javac array demo 5.java 6.java. Okay, I am getting an error, illegal start of the expression on line number this. Okay, so here I have given plus I just need to remove that. Compiling the file now. Now I am running the file using Java array demo 6. So how many elements you want? Say for example, user said 5. So this program will getting the 5 value of the array. So for example, 10 to 50. And then we have printed like this: ARR 0 equal to 10, ARR of 1 equal to 20, ARR of 2 equal to 30, likewise. So here I just need to provide /n to get the all the values into the new line. So I am just applying the /n over there, compiling the file and running the file. Say for example, now how many element you want? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what we have done till now is we have just taken the value from the user now, and we have assigned that value to the array, and then we have just printed all the values of the array. So this is just what we have done is just to get the value from the array, and the array size of the array is totally dynamic, right? Size of the array is dynamic, and the value of the element is also a dynamic now. So this is what we have done in the previous lecture, previous video. Okay, so now I am moving further ahead. I am just providing you, I am just printing something system.out.println. Say for example, enter number to search. Like I am just providing a message to the user, what number you want to search, right? So I am taking an integer variable. Say for example, integer number equal to s dot next int. Next int is the method of this scanner class, right? It will use to get the integer value from the array. That also we have discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, so here what I have done is I have created a variable's name as a number. Okay, and user will enter the particular number to the search value. That value will be stored in the number variable. So the index value of the array will start from the 0, right? So we need to search from the first index, and first index will be the 0th index of the array, right? So if user has entered these values and user need, say for example, 3 4 5 6 and 7, whatever the user need to search, whatever, that can be searched by using the for loop, right? So I will show you the code of how to search the value from the array now. I am just starting the for loop now. Say for example, integer I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length. Arr is our array and length is a property, and I plus plus. Okay, so this loop will start from the 0 and end at the length of the array. In the loop I am just comparing the values. Say for example, if arr of I equal number, it means that if user has entered a particular number and that number is equal to the particular index value of the array. Say for example, user has entered 5, right? So it will be check for the particular index wise. System.out.println now, if this happened, is equal condition will give you the true. Then what we will do is, say for example, number, this particular number that you have user has entered, I am concatenating with the plus operator. User number has found at, we need to provide the position also, right? Means that if the user has entered 3, so the 3 is found at the particular position. So here we need to provide the position, and position is, we can get the position of the array from the I, because I is our iteration, it is in the iteration, right? So I have written I plus 1. Why plus 1? Because the array index is start from the 0 and user need the actual value, not the index value, right? So here we have provided the output like number equal to a number found at particular and is the particular position, right? So this is what we have find out the particular value. Say for example, now I am just compiling the file first, java c array demo 6.java, and now I am running the file. How many elements? Say for example, user has entered 6 elements. Say for example, So 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? And now enter number to search. Say for example, now user has entered 50. So 50 found as a fifth position. That is what we have getting in the output, right? So this is what we have searched the value from the array. If you have any number of element, you can search from the array. If you go to the I over there, then what will happen? And element is 8. Say for example, uh, I am just providing okay. I just need to change. So now here just need to print method. Now I'm just compiling the file first. Say for example java c arraydemo6.java compiling successfully run now. 8 element user want 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 8 element, right? So now enter number to search. Which number you want to search? User entered 70, so 70 found at 6th position, right? So this is not the actual position that user need the particular position, not as an index. So that is why we have written I plus 1 over there, right? I am just running another time. I am giving just a random numbers, and now I want to search the particular value. Say for example 100, which is not available in the array. So what will happen over here? You can you guess the output? What will be the output over here? Because 100 is not available in the array. So you can guess the output, and you can compile this code in your mind and assume you can guess the output. What will be the output if you want to search the value that is not available in the array? What will happen? Can you guess the value? Can you guess the output? Okay. So for that, what we need to do is we need to provide the else is over here, because if the condition is not fulfilled, it means that the value is not available in the array. So we need to go to the particular else part, right? So if this condition return false value, then else part will be executed. So you can write over here also, if this condition is not returning the true, it means it is returning, whenever it is returned the false value, right? So the else part will be executed. Say for example over here in our output example, we need to search 100, but it is not available in the array. So if you have provided the else part, then the else part will be executed if the value, if the searching value is not available in the array. So this is what you can do also. I am doing with the another logic. What I am doing is I am just creating a boolean variable over here. Say for example boolean flag equal to false. By default I do not have searched any value, so that flag variable will be false. It may not have found any value, right? We do not have searched any value. So this is what I have created a variable as a flag. Now in that if condition, I will do flag equal to true. It means that if the condition is true, it means that the value is found at the particular position. It means that the searching is done. We have searched the value, right? So that's why I have done flag equal to true. What we have done? By default the flag variable is false. My friends, flag is just a variable. It is not that much hard thing to understand what is the flag variable. Flag is just a simple variable with the boolean data type, and it has the false value by default, right? Because defaultly we do not have searched any value. It means that we do not have found. That's why we have given flag false, and if found, then we have done flag equal to true. Now I will check after the completion of for loop. If not flag means what? If the flag value is true, then it will convert it to the negation. It means that this condition will be the true if the found has the false value, right? it means that if not flag, if the flag value is true, we can say that a searching is done. We have founded the particular value. But I am just giving you the another logic. I have just apply if not flag. It means that flag has the false value. So I will just print it out system.out.println. Say for example, number is not found, number plus, using the concatenation operator, I am concatenating with the string number not found. Right? So I hope you are getting this logic, and this is very important and interesting logic. Right? On the line number 27, I have checked the condition if not flag. Not flag means we do not have found the searching value in the array. At that time, this condition will return the true value. Right? So this is what the actual programming is. You can see like a flag is a boolean variable, by default it is a false, and if the false value remains, it means that the number is not found, right? And if the value is found, we have checked the condition on the line number 22. We have checked the condition if ARR of I equal number, it means that the number is found. If the number is found, we have printed it and we have changed the value of the flag from false to true. And in the line number 27, we have checked if the flag has the false value or not. So if the flag has false value, it means that number is not found. You can apply that else part also, right? But this is what the logical part and logical program that I have shown to you. If you have any query in that logic portion, you can comment me, right? I will give you the answer. So this is just a flag variable we have created. Default value is false because on the starting phase of the searching we do not have found any value, so that value will be false. I am just using the name variable flag, right? So you can do found also, and just you need to change the variable name from there also, and you need to change there also, right? Though we have changed the value variable name flag to found, right? So you can understand that this is just a simple variable name as a found. The default value is false. If the value is found in the array, then it will be true. Otherwise, it remains the false. And in the line number 27, we have checked if not found, it means that if the flag has the false value, then we have printed number not found in the array. So found is just a boolean variable we are taking to find out, to apply the condition to check the value, if the value is found in the array, if the value is searched in the array or not. So this is also another way, another logic to find the searching, to do the searching in the particular array. Right? You can do here over here also. Say for example, if you write found over there, it means that if found has a true value, then the if part will be executed. If you have provided not found, it means that if the found has the false value, then the if part will be executed. I hope you are learning this logic. I am just compiling the file now. Okay. Variable of type print stream. So it is just need to change over there. Print ln. Okay. Now I am just compiling the file. Again, java c array demo6.java. Compile now. Now running java array demo6. How many elements you want? Say for example, user entered 9. So it will take 9 elements from the array, right? 70, 80, 90. Then we have printed the array first. Now enter number to search. Say for example 100. Now the value is not available in the array and 100 is not found. You can provide any message to the user, right? Here I have just printed not found. And now if you search the particular value, that can also be searched, that we have, right? I have shown the output of the particular value that is available in the array. So now what I am doing is, so as you can see in the output, we have taken the value, how many elements you want. That program takes the 9 values as per the output, as per the input values of the user, and then we have printed the array, and then we have take the value from the user. Say for example, enter number to search. User has entered 100, but 100 is not available in the array, so we have given the particular output. Say for example, 100 not found. You can provide any message to the user over there, right? I hope you understand this logic to how to search the value from the array. There are different logic also. This is also a possible ways, but I am just giving you a simple example of the how to search the array, how to search the value from the array practically. So if you have any query, any doubt in this program, right, you can comment me. I will definitely give you an answer. So I am just copying the code, creating a new file. I am just removing the some of the lines over there, because what we need to do is, now we need to go to the another program. I will give you the demonstration of the another program, and this program will be of how to find the first maximum, second maximum, and third maximum. So I am just changing the title of the program. Say for example, find the maximum. So that maximum number, if you want to find the maximum number, there is a lot of programs available. You can check it also, right? But what we need to do is, we just want to find the first maximum, second maximum, and third maximum from the array. So some line of code will be as it is, as per the previous program. So say for example, I am just giving you the example of the first maximum, second maximum, and third maximum. Here I have just taken random values, random integer values, right? 56, 89, 24, 15, 78, 34, 86, and 82. So I just want to try to understand that how to find the maximum value. Say for example, if you have the array, you assign the first value as a maximum, then you will compare that value to the particular next value. In that example, the first element is 89. So we have assigned 86 as a max value, right? In the particular algorithm, what we have done, what we will do, we can do the, we can assign the max, we can assume that 56 is our max value, right? And then we need to check that 56 to the next value. So if the 56 is greater than to 89, then the max will remain, right? If the 56 is less than to 89, then we need to assign maximum to the particular 86 number. So likewise, you need to compare all the values with your maximum, right? Say for example, now you can say, as per my example, if 56 is less than to 89, right? So now our maximum is 89. So that is what the way you can find the maximum from the array. Now you need to check, say for example, 89 is less than to 24, so we will get the answer as a no. So maximum will be the remain to the 89. Likewise, you need to check to the every element. Say for example, 89 is less than to 15. The answer is no. So the maximum is remain to the 89, right? And then you need to check with all the values. 89 is less than to 78, no. 89 is less than to 34, no. 89 is less than to 86, no. 89 is less than to 82, no. So as per this algorithm, we have find out the maximum value 89. So this is what the algorithm to find the maximum value from the array. You can do the programming for this algorithm also, right? This is what the basic programming. But in our program, what we need to do is, we need to find the first maximum, second maximum and third maximum. See, these simple how to find the value, how to find the maximum value, that is what we can say a simple logic, right? But we need to do something else. We need to do some another logic. We need to provide another logic to find out the first value, the first maximum, second maximum and third maximum. So to find the first maximum, second maximum and third maximum from the array, what we need to do is we need to check. First of all, we need to create a variable. Say for example, integer first max equal to 0, semicolon, s max means second maximum equal to 0, semicolon, and t max means a third maximum equal to 0. I am just creating a variable, say for example f max, s max and t max. It is a first maximum, second maximum and third maximum. I am just starting the loop now. Integer number colon arr, right? This is what the for each loop that we have discussed in the previous video also. In that I am just checking the condition if the particular number is entered by the user is less than to f max, right? If this condition is true, it means that the particular entered number is greater than to first maximum. So currently we have first maximum equal to 0, third maximum second maximum equal to 0 and third maximum equal to 0. In that, what I will do is I will just assign the s maximum value to the t maximum value. Okay, this is just I am doing the swapping logic, that t maximum equal to s maximum equal to f maximum, and then f maximum equal to 0. So from this logic, right, from this logic we have what we have done, we have just swapped the value to the s max to the t max and first max to the second maximum. At last our first maximum value, we have assigned the 0 to our first maximum value. So this is what the logic is. Say for example, you can change the first maximum equal to a number also, because user has entered the particular number, right? User has entered the particular number, and that number we are assigning to the f max. At the line number 22 we have assigned the particular number to the f max, right? So all the values that we are taking from the user is in our array, and array index that we have discussed in the previous video. So this is what the logic is. If your number is greater than to the first maximum, then you need to swap all the values and then need to assign the number to the first maximum. So what if that will be false? What if the number is not greater than to f max? Then if the number is not greater than to f max, then you need to check, say for example, if say for example number is greater than to s max, it means that you are checking now if the number is greater than to second maximum. If this will return the true value, then there is also a swapping. Say for example, you need to assign your second maximum to your third maximum. It means t max equal to s max. That is what we have done in the line number 20 also. And that s maximum will be your number. So your number will be now second maximum, right? So in the first condition we have found the first maximum, in the second condition we have found the second maximum number, and if these both are not done, if now I am checking the condition if number is greater than to t max, right? So if the number, we have taken a variable, if it is greater than to third max, then the third max equal to the number. So my dear friends, here what I have given the logic to find the first maximum, second maximum, third maximum. Now I am just printing system.out.println. Okay, I'm copying in the next line. The first maximum equal to, we have the value now, I'm concatenating with the plus operator, our first max. Okay, so I'm just copying the line, paste it, paste. It is for the second maximum and it is for the third maximum. Now change the variable name, S max and T max. So from this logic, I'm just saving the file array demo 7. Okay, here 6. Now I am just saving the file, changing the class name and saving the file array demo 7.java. And now I am just compiling the file, say for example java c array demo 7.java. Okay, this is just for the 6 per. Okay. So compiling with a 7. What is the error now? Okay, cannot find symbol. Okay, yeah. So that variable that we have declared over there, yeah, there need a comma. Yes, save the file now. Now I am just compiling the file java c array demo 7.java. I am running the file, say for example java array demo 7, entering how many element you want, right? Say for example user has entered 10, so it will take the 10 values from the user. I am just providing a random values, right? 9 and 10th value, right? We have just printed the value, and what we have got in the output is we have got the first maximum, second maximum and third maximum. As you can see in the output, it is our first maximum is 98, our second maximum is 91 and our third maximum is 85, right? All the input has given by the user, so the array is dynamic, the value of array is also dynamic, and then we have find out the first maximum value, what is the second maximum value and what is the third maximum value from this logic. I hope you are understanding very well this logic, because the logic is what we have done is it is all the between line number 18 and line number from the 18 to 29, right? We have done with the number greater than to f max, number greater than to second maximum and number greater than to third maximum. So that is what we have done with the first, how to find the first maximum, second maximum and a third maximum value, right? So I hope you are understanding the logic very well, and if you have any doubt to understand this logic, you can comment me. I will definitely give you the answer to you guys, right? Now what I am doing is I am just copying the line code and paste it in the new file. Okay, so what I am doing over here is so this is what the core logic of the find first maximum, second maximum and third maximum from the array. You can apply this logic to the any programming language with the any type of any array, right? This is what we are searching for the integer value also, right? If you want to search to the particular string, then that algorithm will be different. I am just copying the lines, pasting to the another file because I need to give you the demonstration of the program for the sorting the value. So this program will give you the logic of how to sort the value, ascending and descending, right? See here I am just changing array before the sorting, changing the title over there. Array demo 8 is there. I am just saving the file array demo 8.java. So this is what we have done. We have taken the value of the array from the user and we have printed it array before sorting, right? So the line of code will be, this line of code will be the same as the previous program, right? So in this video we will learn how to sort the value of the array. ascending order and in the descending order also. So for that, what we need to do is, say for example, we have these number of values in the array, and then what we need to do is we need to check the particular value. Is the value is less than to the comparison value? Say for example 56, we need to check it with the 89. So is the 56 is less than to 89? If it is giving us the true, it means that we need to swap the value. There are lots of algorithm available to sort the value. I am just giving you one of them, right? So as like you need to compare two values and then you need to swap it. Say for example, you need to check, you are checking 89 with 24. 89 is less than to 24. No, it means that there are no requirement to swap the value. Now say for example, you are checking with 56 to 24. Is the 56 is less than to 24? The answer is no. It means that there are no requirement to swapping the value. Likewise, now I am just doing the programming for the same, right? So in this program, I am just starting the for loop, integer I equal to 0, I less than, say for example, we have the value as a, before sorting, we have the value in the number. So here I am just printing the value of the array, arr dot length, you can go to the particular length also, and I plus plus, right? So this loop will start from the 0 and end of the array length. In that for loop, I am just writing another for loop, integer j equal to I plus 1, semicolon, j less than n, say j less than array dot length and semicolon j plus plus, right? So we need to compare two values now. That's why I am taking the for loop. First for loop start with the 0 and second for loop start with the first index of the array. Because we have taken I plus 1, it means that it is a first element, not the 0th element, because array index start from the 0. So I need to check it to the next element with the next element. Here I am checking the condition if ARR of I is less than to ARR of j, it means that the first value is less than to the second value. If this happen, what we need to do is we need to swap the value. You can swap the value also, but I am giving you the another logic. Say for example, ARR of I is equal to ARR of I. There are an operator named as a XOR. It is a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator we have discussed also in the previous video. ARR of I is a XOR to the ARR of J. So this is what the value of the XOR we have assigned to the particular indexing, right? So this is also another logic. You can sort the array by using the bitwise XOR operator. So here what we have done, ARR of I means a first value, ARR of J means a second value. We have applied XOR operator and then we have assigned the value to the ARR of I. In the next line, what I am doing is ARR of j equal to ARR of I is XOR to ARR of j, and in the third line ARR of I equal to ARR of I XOR to the ARR of j. So this is what we have done, a simple swapping the value but by using the XOR operator. I am just copying the line, paste it over there, and I am writing array after sorting. So our sorting is done and then we have just printing it. Now I am just compiling the file javac array demo 8.java. I am running the file java array demo 8. Say for example, how many element you want? 6. I am just entering the random value. A user has entered 6 value for example, and then you can see array before sorting and array after sorting. The value is sorted. You can check over there. The value is sorted in the descending order. Right? So this XOR operator is very important, and you can use this operator to sort your arrays into the descending operation. If you want to do the sorting, you can use the XOR operator. It may be ascending, it may be a descending. For the ascending, there is another logic you can apply. This is, I am just giving you the demonstration for the how to sort the array values in the descending order. So this is what the main logic is, right? So the main logic is from the line number 17 to line number 25 only. So this is another way, another logic to sort the value. Say for example, here I have written, now I am just providing a descending sorting over there. I am just changing the some line of the code, copied over here and paste it over here. Now I am going to the, say for example, ascending order, how to sort the value to the ascending order. So I am just copying the after sorting, I am just printing the value. Okay, so this is also I need to this is for the ascending value, ascending sorting. I am just copying the file, removing the line number of code over there. So now our program is, say for example, array after sorting. This is for the descending, and then we have sorted with the ascending. So here on the line number 32, I have changed the value to the less than to greater than. Only this. Say for example, now compiling and running the file, enter how many element 5, 89, 45, 32, 79 and 10. So as you can see, we have getting the both. So this line we have getting the descending order also and ascending order also. Here I am writing before sorting, and here I am just giving the message like as a descending sorting. Now I am just compiling the file again, running the file now. How many element you want? Say for example 5. I am entering the random values. So before sorting, after sorting, this is the descending and this is the ascending order, right? So this is what I have given you the logic to sort the value of the array in the ascending and descending order using XOR operator, right? So I hope you are getting the point over there. I hope you are learning the logic of the how to sort an array using the XOR operator, and this is for the both ascending order and descending order also. So now I am giving you another demonstration that is for the two-dimension array. I am just saving the file arraydemo9.java. In that I am just creating a class, say for example name as arraydemo9. In that class, say for example integer arr, I am creating an array. If you write the one bracket, it means that it is of one dimension. If you write two square bracket, it means it is a two-dimension array, right? So integer arr equal to new integer of 4 by 3. It means that this array has 4 rows and 3 columns, right? It is what we are taking as an example of the 4 by 3 array. So here I have defining array, say for example 4 rows and 3 columns, and then I have defining another 2D array, and then we have printed it over here. You can see in the code, right? This is the I have created array 2. It is the dynamic size of the array. In the first row I have only one element. In the second row I have 7 element. in the third row I have 4 element, and in the fourth row I have 4 element. So in that array 2 I have the different columns in the one array, in the one row. Say for example, in the array 2 I have total 4 rows. In the first row there are only one element. In the second row there are 7 elements. In the third row there are 3 elements, and in the fourth row there are 4 elements. And then in the line number 10 we have printed the length of the array and array 2, right? So length is a property that this property will provide us the length of the array. Now what I am doing is I am just writing the for loop over there. I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length semicolon I plus plus. Okay, so in the for loop what I am doing is I am just writing another for loop. Say for example, for we just need to print the array. That's why we are doing the loop. J equal to 0, j less than arr2 dot I, arr2 of I dot length, and then because this loop will end at the length of the particular row. So the ith loop, the loop of the I is used for the row, and the loop of the j is used for the column available in the row, right? So the loop of I will iterate to the number of rows, and the loop of j will iterate to the number of columns available in the row, right? So here this loop end to the length and j plus plus. In the inner loop I am just printing the value system.out.println. Say for example, arr2 of I of j, because we have 2 dimension array and we are concatenating with the string, right? And after the inner loop I am just providing the /n, because I just need to go to the next line for the next row. So I am just saving the file now, and I am just compiling the file now. So this is what we have, the different column in the different row. Okay, cannot find symbol. Okay. So I just need to write integer over there, int. Yeah. Save the file now. Compile the file. Java C array demo 9.java. Java C array demo 9.java. To run the file Java array demo 9, right? So as you can see in the output, I just to remove /n over there, compiling again and running again. As you can see in the output, we have all the rows and all the columns available in the array, and these all rows has the different length of the particular column. So I hope you are getting this point. You can create a 2-dimension array like that also. In the particular row you will have the different column in the array, right? If you change the value, say for example, now I am just compiling and running the file. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, these are the values which are available in the array. I am just giving the space over there to get the output properly. So running again. So as you can see in the output, all the values are in the output now, and with the different rows with the different columns, right? So you can do that also. And in the line number 12 to 15, what we have done, we have printed the length of the rows and columns available. Say for example, arr of 0 dot length, arr2 dot of 0 dot length, arr1 dot length, arr2 of 1 dot length, arr of 2 dot length, arr2 of 2 dot length. So we have both the different array, and we have just printed the length of the row. So we will getting the 4 4 3 1 3 2 3 3 and 3 4 as an output. So length property will give you the size of the particular row if you have the two dimension array, right? So this is what we have done for the two dimension array. We have taken two arrays, ARR and ARR2, right? ARR is the two dimension array with no value. A default value of integer will be 0 over there, and ARR2 is the also two dimension array with the 4 row and different columns available in the different rows. So this is what the possible way to create an array in the Java. You can do with the two dimension also, right? So these are the program that I have demonstrated you to how to declare the two dimension array differently and print it. Now say for example, I am just giving you the example in the Excel sheet. What I am writing is, say for example, here I have the array 1, say for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. Now I am giving you the understanding of, I am telling you the logic of the three dimension array. So here I have given you, this is what the one dimension array is that we can see in the Excel sheet, right? So here I have defining the three dimension array. I am just pasting over there. These are the three dimension array now, right? Say for example, here we have total 3 array, right? So this is what the example of 3 dimension array. In the one array we have total 3 arrays, right? So you can understand these also. Now we will go to do the practical for the same. To understand the concept of 3 dimension array in Java, I am just creating a new file, creating a class in that array demo10.java. I am just creating a class, saving the file, say for example array demo10.java, save the file, writing the main method public static void main. It is the starting point of the program execution. I am creating a variable, say for example integer ARR. It is equal to new integer of 10. It is a one dimension array that we have created over here, right? In the next line I am creating another array of 2 dimension. Say for example integer ARR2 square bracket equal to new integer of square bracket 4, say for example 4 by 5. So this array is 2 dimension array. On the line number 4 we have created a 2 dimension array with the 4 rows and 5 columns available in that particular array, right? So now I am creating another array, say for example array 3. There will be a 3 square brackets equal to new integer of. Say for example a 4 by 5. Okay, so let me just tell you another way. Let me just take in an example. Say for example 4 by 5 means a 4 rows and 5 columns for the 2 dimension array, right? So here what I am writing is, I am writing 5 over there for the column. So it means that, and over here you can write a 4. It means that a 4 by 5 array. But this 4 by 5 array will be 3 times. Say for example what I am writing is, I am writing 3 over there. So it means that 3 array of 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is a 2 dimension array, and this 2 dimension array I am creating 3 times, right? So that is what the point is. I have created a 3 array of 4 by 5. That is what we have creating a 3 dimension array in the Java. So 3 matrix of 4 rows and 5 columns will be available over here in the line number 5. There will be a 4 matrix of 4 rows and 5 columns. Now I just want to print it. for k equal to 0, k less than arr 3 dot length and k plus plus. So this loop will be used for the matrix. On the line number 8, I am taking another for loop I equal to 0, I less than arr 3 of, say, you can do that also, arr 3 dot length and I plus plus. This is for the row purpose, this line is for the end, and in that for loop I am taking another for loop, j equal to 0, j less than arr 3 dot length and j plus plus. And now I am just printing the value system.out.println arr 3 arr 3 of, for the matrix we have k, for the rows we have I, and for the row column we have the j. So I am just printing over there. Okay, now I am just providing the system.out.println over there to put the output in the next line, and over here also I am just copying the code and paste it over here, system.out.println. Now what I'm just compiling the file Java C array demo 10.java. I am giving 10th example of the array array demo 10. Say for example, you can see over here we have created a 3 array. We have created a 3 array of okay, there are some problem in the output what we have written in the loop. Let me just check. Okay. So I got a mistake over there. I taken a mistake. I just need to print with the space over there first of all, because this matrix is 4 by 5 and we have got only 3 by 3 value because of the length of the array. You can check in the previous video also, we have using the arr of I dot length. So we need to use over there also arr 3 of k dot length, and over here also arr 3 dot k of I dot length, right? So the particular matrix will have the 4 by 5 matrix, and there will be a 3 matrix of 4 by 5. Now you can see in the output. Now that is what the perfect 3 dimension array is. We have a 3 array of 4 by 5, means 4 rows and 5 columns. We have 3 matrix for the same, right? So this is what we have done with the 3-dimension array. Okay, so that's all from my side in this video, guys. From next video we will start to learn the object oriented concept of the Java practically, like what is class, what is object, what is instance variable, and all the concept of the object oriented programming that we will discuss in this series, right? Stay tuned with this channel, subscribe to this channel, comment on the videos, and press the like button to the particular video, and don't forget to share the video and this channel, right? So the student can learn the object oriented programming of the Java practically. Thank you, guys.